one setting and you're all done. Turning your long videos, no matter how long they are, without compromising the video quality. We can easily transform the viral shots via using CapCut feature. So today's video, I'll show you how either using two ways you transform the long videos into shorts depending upon whether you are doing it for TikTok or you are doing for YouTube shorts. So let's dive in together. Open the CapCut and you will see the interface here. So this one is the CapCut AI inbuilt feature that CapCut provides you. It will automatically turn your long videos into shorts depending upon your requirements. You can simply drag and drop here, or you can select the video that you want to transform into shorts. I want to transform this video, so I just uploaded this one, and you can select the different captions if you want to use. First of all, you need to select the duration for shorts. If you are using for TikTok or YouTube shorts, then the short should be under 60 seconds. So I'm selecting the 60 seconds one, and now you will select the portion that you want to include into your shorts. I'm just selecting random portion, and while selecting the portion, it will automatically show you like how much is the time that you already selected. So we are good to go. Let's select this one and just simply click on the convert button. It will take some time and we will see how cool is that, right? So guys, see, it's done, and if you mouse over here, it's showing two options, export and edit. So you can still edit your long video. So I'm good with this, and so I'm just clicking on export button and it's loading the project. You can just give the file name that you want to put on this short. You can export where you want to put your shorts in, which folder you want it, and simply just click the export button. Now, if you see, when we selected the template and when I'm playing this short, so it's automatically giving me the captions that is totally free and offered by the CapCut inbuilt feature. Even if you are signed in, so you can directly share your shorts on TikTok and YouTube as well. So this is the one way that we are transforming your long videos into shorts. And now I am going to show you how manually also we can do this, right? So let's see. So simply click on the create project, and now you can import the video that you want to turn. I'm just picking the random video that I want to trim. So just click on this import. Either you can just drag it on the timeline or you can click on the plus icon. First of all, after importing the video, you have to go into this ratio button and just select, as this is a YouTube short, so we need this vertical, right? So just click the 9:16 ratio and then click from here whether it's for TikTok and YouTube shorts or Instagram reels. I'm making this for YouTube shorts, so just click on YouTube shorts and it will give you the preview how your shorts will look on the mobile phone. Isn't it cool? This is amazing, right? And you can zoom from here your video, if you're this timeline video. And if you are doing it manually, just drag this marker here till the point you're doing and just click on the split button. Now you can just drag your marker here till the point where you want to delete and trim the video, and click the split button again. Now the portion you can select and delete the button out. And now without selecting and trimming the video manually, the one option that you can use where you want to delete the pause, your repetition of words, so you can do by using the transcript button also. That is totally free feature, and this option is amazing because it gives you repetition of words. Whatever you're speaking in the video, it will show you totally here. So just click on the selected icon and click on the delete icon and you are all done. Okay, and just click this out. Now this is under 60 seconds, and if you want to add some effects or maybe stickers, so just click on here and choose accordingly whatever you want to put. Let's say if I want to put the subscribe button, so just drag it out and place it where you want to show on the video. So when I will play, it will show you. See, delete button. So this portion is already being deleted. It's cool, right? So there are some options more if you want to go on filters, captions, and even the effects while recording your video. If you want to add or text, so just drag it same and it will show you on your video, and you can add the text whatever you want to. You can add the text on your right hand side where you have a properties section. You can bold the text, you can underline, and you can even change the alignment, and there are lots of preset style how you want your text to be shown with the coloring section. and even the blend, your background. So guys, just explore this out. There are lots of options offered under the property section on the right hand side. So when you are done doing everything, just simply click on the export button. Just put the same procedure, file name, and click on export. So how did you like the video, guys? I showed you how by inbuilt feature you can the long ones into viral shots using CapCut, and the other way by manually by selecting some settings, and you are good to go. If you consider this video helpful, make sure to comment it out and do let me know, did you manually turn your long videos into shorts or you did by using CapCut inbuilt feature. Consider subscribing my channel as I'm trying to grow and reach 100 subscribers. See you soon.